Sibs, good morning. Kabukas yung ano ni PJ, maleta. But anyway, good morning. It's our third day here. And today, we're going to Ocean Park in Temple City. Temple Street. Sumbang City.
And it goes a little something like
Again, sa Cafe de Coral. That's mine, B13. That's Papa's, L8. Ito na naman kayo gaya ng order.
Natin kay Papa, same one yesterday, pero hindi siya long now. It's like a bread. Chicken fillet sausage. Egg and bread. Mama's
This is fish fillet.
fish fillet. This was
This one is egg with tuna.
sugar. Ano sauce niya?
I think it's tartar.
Tartar sauce. Let's wait for the first one.
Wala na. Not anymore.
Ayun na, naiyak sila. Review na lang namin later.
Ito yung in-order namin ni PJ.
Taste it. How is it? Sarap. Fish? Fish?
It's fish fillet. Hindi mo binasa?
Hindi. Well, it's okay.
We're now on our way to Ocean Park. We're now on our way to Ocean Park. Opo, video. Lagi na lang kayong nadadaling dalawa. Nakita mo lang yung numbers. On our way to Ocean Park. We're wearing brown. Our parents wearing green and blue. Green and blue and black. We are on our nature scheme, color scheme. Nature color scheme.
Yung bark at yung mga leaves.
Yung bark at yung mga leaves. Parang baliktad. Dapat sila yung bark.
Dapat sila yung bark.
Tapos tayo yung leaves. Yeah. We'll tour you around later. See you, Zips. We are here na sa Ocean Park. We're now entering the park. The Ocean Park. PJ tulog na tulog sa biyahe. Antok siya eh. Pero ito nga siya, Ocean Park. There, the Ocean Park. So, ayun, we'll be touring around. Let's see if I makukuha kong clips, but I'll try my very best. And we'll also take a lot of pictures here, reenacting what we did 10 years ago. Let's go! Hi! We are now here, waiting for our tickets. I think we're going inside. Hi! There's the Ocean Park there. And then we do have our map. And this is a separate island pala. Hong Kong Island siya. Wala siya doon sa lugar na dumaan ulit kami underwater. Doon na tayo. Underwater tunnel. Then, nagkaroon din ng tunnel naman sa rocks. Mount Dory. There's Dory. Two Dories.
There's Mr. Ray. Then there's PJ the turtle. Why are you there? Size
I don't know.
Why are you
No idea.
Yan yung mga yan yung mga tinulungan ni Dory. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Pero sabi ni Mama, bangus daw yan. Ewan ko ba?
Ito yung mga alagad ni Ursula, oh. Ayan sila, oh.
Kasi electric.
Pero nakakatakot talaga pala yung tsura nila.
Hello, Ariel. Do you wanna meet your prince?
Oh wait, that's not a rock, that's a starfish.
That's a starfish. Look at the starfish. Parang carpet siya. Para siyang carpet.
Where are we?
Second part of the Grand Aquarium.
Yes, we're going up for the second part of Grand Aquarium. And here are my parents. Mapa. Wow. Cute.
So perfect.
Tell me a joke, funny guy.
Si Marlene, yung asawa niya, nung di pa sila kinakain ng shark. It's moving.
mo siya.
It's moving very slow. Papa! So we're done with the Grand Aquarium. Tino naman, patingin nga pa, silk pa. Eh! So we're going na there sa Panda. Nakakainis to si Papa. Siya daw si Bruno. Pero hindi Bruno Mars. Ano yung kanta ma? We're entering the pandas crib na. Yeah, we're just moving. Please, bawal maingay kasi na ano yung mga panda. Na-stress sila. Yeah, there they are. They do have a monkey with them. Here. It's a model.
See, she's just sitting. See.
What's the other one? That's the panda sleeping. It's sleeping. An is also sleeping. Oh, it moved. Very nice na lang yung sleeping position niya. How wow? Ito bata.
You move your hand on top of the bamboo. Just swipe it across and stop. Yeah. Big swipes. Yeah.
Go. The master of Kung Fu Panda. You twist him. Nahilo na siya. We're now going to the summit. Kailangan namin mag-cable car papunta doon. So, we're moving there. There's the cable cars. Katawid na kami sa summit. Ayun yung Then, this is what you could see. Here.
Oh, my flying fiesta sila
Pretty,
dito.
right? This is the malaking observatory. Dandaan nyo na akyat, pati bababa. Tapos you just have a whole view of everything. Umiikot din siya 360. Dito siya 360. So you could check, parang hindi ka naiikot-ikot dun sa place. Parang hindi natatamaan yung mga tao. Ang kabilang side kami ng summit. Pero ayan yung mga rides. Perfect. Wow, so majestic. Sunkissed. Ganda ka, te. Ate, ganda ka ba?
Yes, wheelchair.
Wow, sunbathing. This is where the dolphin show happens. Yan, may dolphins dyan sa loob. Yan, no? Pero pahinga pa sila. We'll be just eating lunch here sa Marino Cafe. Ayan. Sobrang far ng mga kainan, grabe. But yeah, pulang kami dito muna kasi my knees are failing me. So, I don't think I can walk pa.
Oh,
Spaghetti bolognese.
what's that?
I think this is chicken.
Spaghetti din.
The chicken. Same chicken pesto. I think this is. Basta one of them is chicken, one of them is pork. Two of them is pork.
I don't know about it.
This is wrap.
Ay, sabi ni TJ.
Ito nga, teka lang, hindi ko nga rin.
Ito sa Doro. Fried rice. Saka yan.
Mukhang mini chicken.
Kung ano yung mukhang magkaparehas.
Itong dalawa.
Oh, yan. Ito yung chicken. And this is, here,
Ikaw.
burrito.
We are now moving again after magpahinga. Kasi tulugo, the knees, the feet, they're all failing us na, no? So, ito, we'll be watching the dolphin show here. We're back with our Sims. We're back with our vids here on iPad. There's my parents. Is my papa awake? Let me zoom it in. So here's what you can see. Isa talaga sa ano guys, gusto ko dito is kapag sinabi nila na yung show or yung kahit ano man yan, sabi nila gantong oras talaga siya nagsa-start. So it's already, it's already 3:29. 3:30 daw ang start na. So, so we're done riding. A ride, of course.
Huwag na pausapan pag north. Pag north.
So,
Oh, pag north.
now, papunta kami sa North Pole or South Pole ng mga penguins. But how was the ride? What's it called?
Lamig, whirly bird.
Whirly Bird. I'll
Very
insert
cold.
a clip.
Very balanced.
I'll insert a clip after this. Si Mama nagkuha noon, so... Joke lang. Umikot sila. But we're going here na sa South Pole. There. So yeah, later. My mom is very excited. They're eating. Mama. They're going there kasi doon yung food. Oh, naiwan siya. Uwi.
Yung malalaki, pag-gray na sila. Kaya bibigyan sila ng tubig, dami sila dyan.
So nice. Ang cute. Si Mambo. Mambo ba? Mambo. Ay, sinasayaw nila yung Mambo.
Sobrang lapit niya, oh. Hanap kanin kayo doon, tapos nandiyan
What's so
naman ako.
scratchy?
Uy, Aya! No kamot!
Sinarap ko na penguin, nakita mo na ba dyan? Ayun, oh. Sinarap ko na penguin.
Ayun sila, ang dami nila.
Sinarap ko na penguin.
Jump.
Ito ba nito?
Kabahan mo. Uy, picture tayo, maraming picture.
Here na kami. Here na sa North Pole Encounter. Papa, we're here na!
Wow. We're inside North Pole.
Yun, nagkitay sila ng treats doon, oh. So cute.
Wow! Mama, look at mine, oh.
Hi! Wow! Oh, wow! Nag-backflip. Cute! And where is the other one? Oh, wow. Ah, nagbebe siya. I think it's sleeping. Sibs. My phone.
Hello.
Will be confiscated by my mom. Eme, magsasakay kami dito sa Arctic Blast. It's that roller coaster. Ang ganda ng sunset. Oh my god. But yeah, that's what we will be riding. So, we'll tell you the experience later. So right now, we will be riding this Ocean Express Summit Station. Babalik na kami sa Hong Kong Island. And instead of taking the cable car like what we did earlier. We're taking the express train. There's the express train. We're entering the express train. It's, what time is it? Let's see how express it is. It's already 5:31. We're moving there inside. So, ayun. Yeah! Nakasakay kami ng cable car ng 12. Tapos nakarating kami sa 12:11 p.m. Tapos nakarating kami sa summit ng 12:18. So, that's 5 to 7 minutes, I think. Kaya tingnan natin kung gano'n ito kahaba. May kabilis. Again, 5:31 p.m. tayo pumasok dito sa express train. And let's see kung gano'n kahaba. Or ano kasi sa kabila. So, here's the outside world na. And it's just 5... Oh, wait. It's just here. 5:36. Oh, diba? It's just 5 minutes from the mountain to another island. So, here kami ngayon sa Old Hong Kong. Dito na kami sa, Hong Kong Island. Now, Mama, anong hinahanap mo?
Egg waffle!
Gahanap siya ng egg waffle. Samahan natin ng... Makwek-kwek lang daw yan. Yun, Jay, yung parang bilog-bilog siya. Ayun o, ayun. That's the egg waffle, guys. That one. Out there. Where's my finger? Oh, that one. That one. Happiness ni Mama ang egg waffle. Ay, pinalikod niya sa atin, Sibs. I'm so sorry. Here. There's the egg waffle.
Mommy pancake!
Mommy pancake. What's that?
Smells good.
This is the chocolate
Oh,
sauce.
so it's like churros.
Yes, but it's a waffle.
Happy dance ni Mama. Ay, go. Get one. Give ate din one.
Okay. Dalawa yung nakuha ko dito.
Hindi, baka mo.
Yan.
Yan. This is the egg, oh.
Hindi nga siya kwek-kwek.
Hindi siya kwek-kwek. They're trying it with the chocolate sauce. You do the oil. Ang sarap.
Ang sarap! Ang masarap ba?
I'll try it.
The real OA do it.
Later, we will let the
The
real
final
OA
OA.
do it. There's the chocolate. Natatawa ko. Ang sarap! Papa!
Sarap!
Si Mama kaya?
No!
Ang daya. Joseph, so after namin mag Ocean Park Station, lipat kami dun sa Red Line. Sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Now, kami ay nasa Yao Mate Station. And naglalakad kami to Exit C para pumunta dun sa night market. So from here, mag-walk lang tayo. Yeah. We go walking here. A lot of walking. Ito yung pina-follow ko, guys. So, we are playing Pokemon Go. Emmy.
Sinadetect ko na to, turn right side.
Ah. Tay, dahan. I think that's the night market na, guys. Dano. Para ka lang nasa Binondo, eh. Well, Binondo is actually just like a Chinatown in the Philippines. So it's most likely. So,
We're here.
most likely, it's just the same thing as this part and also this part. Oh, God.
Chinese.
Tanghulu. So, So, nakarating din kami sa food market, finally. Kasi kanina, ang hirap-hirap niyang
Hindi
hanapin.
natin naabutan yung ano, Avenue of the Stars, it's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 na. Okay.
Go there.
So, ayun nga, andito na kami. We're doing this. There's the food. A lot of foods there. Adventure time. Use this 100 HKD to buy this one. I like to try the classic and the corn dog. It's the same $20 HKD, but they do have a different itsura per pork. Then, something also, I have this coins. How much is this? One. These are the pineapple buns with hot butter and the corn dog. Happiness. Sila mama here bumili. Mga seafood kasi. I cannot. What's yours? Oh! It is spicy.
Ako kasi nag-try, tas naanghangan ako.
How was the shrimp?
Sarap. Very sarap.
Very seasoned.
Very seasoned, very balanced.
So we'll try this pineapple bun. Medyo gusto ko na rin to eh. I'm actually looking for this. Time for dessert. Hello, which one do you like?
My sister trying tanghulu.
Wala na akong ka-makeup ko. Gabi na kasi. The first one or the last one?
First one.
Laki kasi. So big oh. Laki pa sa eyes ko.
Small lang mukha mo eh.
Ha? Lit pala mukha ko eh. Perfect.
Ay, ang
Perfect. Okay. Tigas nung itong part ng ilalim. Pero, bukod sa matamis, bukod sa matamis yung itong ano, sugar, tamis din yung strawberry itself. Ang saya-saya. Yeah. So, we're walking na papunta sa station ulit, ang TR. Because we're going home. Gusto kami kumain, gusto kami mag-shopping. Shopping! Saan ka doon? Pero tapos na nga. Inuwi namin. It's already 8:51. You see it? Yeah, it's 8:51. And, yeah, we're going home ng tayo doon. So masakit. So, this ends our vlog na. Yeah, this ends our vlog na. Say goodbye, sis!
Bye.